has this ever happened to you? You're halfway through a glue up and you reach for the CA glue activator and the cans run out. In this video I'm going to show you a homemade recipe that absolutely works. It's 100 times cheaper than buying commercial activator. I've got some simple ingredients that you probably actually already have in your kitchen. First of all, I've got some warm water just in this flask. I've got some baking soda. Now don't confuse this with baking powder, because baking powder won't actually work. It's slightly chemically different. But a tub of this, I've got 100 grams here. Yeah, 100 grams. That's going to cost you about €1, about $1, maybe slightly more, but not much. And this is enough to make 2 litres of activator. What I've done is I've bought, haven't even opened these yet, but I've bought a couple of spray bottles from Amazon. There are 2 in here. It just came as a 2-pack. These cost me €10, so maybe $12, something like that. Let's have a look, see what they're like. Yeah, okay. Nothing in it yet, obviously. Yeah, so let's get making. All you're going to need is a teaspoon and some sort of measuring jug. If you're in the States, half a cup of water will do. I don't know how that works because I have all sorts of size cups in my cupboard. But I'm going to make 100 millilitres. So all you do is I'm going to put in 100 millilitres of water. Now this is quite warm water. The warmer it is, the easier the baking soda will dissolve, but it doesn't want to be boiling. So then I'm going to take a teaspoon of my baking soda, splush that in there, and I'm going to stir that for about a minute. Now obviously I'm not going to show you me stirring this for a minute, so I'll cut back to you in a second.
A few moments later.
Okay, that's done. Obviously it's not crystal clear, but there is no sediment or anything. It has fully dissolved. So I'll pour that into my spray bottle. I'll put a link to these bottles in the description. Now, should probably let that cool. But we are ready to use it. I'm going to let that cool and then I'll come back and I'll show you that it works. So here I've got a couple of pieces of scrap just out of my scrap bin. I'm going to put a little bit of glue on one of those. Then on this one, I'm just going to spray. You can see it's a really fine mist out of this, very nice. And let's just put them together. Leave them for the customary 5 to 10 seconds, something like that anyway, like I would do with normal activator. And you can see that really, that's exactly the same as the activator would have been. They are properly going nowhere. Can do one with this. This is more what I use my activator for, my CA glue for normally, gluing up my French cleats. Let's just, well, put this on here first, like I would do normally, and then spray. Really nice atomizer, as opposed to just like a garden spray. This is more like an atomizer. Works really well. I'm happy with that for $5. And again, you can see this is properly glued up. So a quick summary: I've used half a cup if you're in the States, or 100 ml of warm water. I've used 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Now don't get not overly stressed about the exact amounts. We're not doing some laboratory testing here. It's going to work if you've got, you know, roughly the right amounts. I've stirred them together for over a minute. I've put them into a $5 atomizer that I bought on Amazon, and I've got quite a lot of non-smelling activator that works perfectly. If you were to buy 10 of these, it's going to cost you somewhere between, I don't know, $70 and $100, and the equivalent, this will make the equivalent amount, about 2 litres, for about €1, $1.20, something like that. Massive savings, and it's non-smelling. This is solvent based, and as you know, it can get a bit stinky, probably not great for your health either. So all round, great tip. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. Subscriptions make a huge difference. Anyway, I've been Alan, you've been watching. I'll see you in the next video.